Hi, I'm Kiwi, that there is Bear, and collectively we're known as Oshali Japan. Our mission is to share Japan with the world, and after checking our fan as roadworthy, we're setting off for a new prefecture on an adventure of epic proportions. So, for those of you with beady eyes, you might be able to see behind us is the beautiful Tokyo station. And if you watched our previous video, you will know that we have come back very briefly to Tokyo to get my visa and to get the Brony's MOT passed. So we are starting our journey back at the center of Tokyo, and today's mission is what?
Going to Osaka.
Yep, so we are going to our next prefecture. We're not going there by train, we are going by car.
Of course.
And of course we are going the slow route, so we're not going to be taking any toll roads, and we are curious to see how much it's going to cost and how long it's going to take us.
Actually, as you can see, it's so dark.
It's already 4:15 in the afternoon, so it could be very, very dark by the time we get to any.
So today's mission is like just going out of Tokyo.
Yeah, I don't think we can make it to Osaka in one day. We're not crazy, so little pit stop on the way. And before we head off to Osaka, we have one final thing to do in Tokyo. We want to go and see the Harry Potter Christmas lights.
Because since it's around Christmas.
Now. Not now, but now.
Yeah. 行こうか。大都会だな。
I don't know where I'm going.
うわ、東京ステーション。
It's been a long time since I've been here. I feel like a tourist all over again. It's weird being back in Tokyo, to be honest.
Because we come from countryside.
Not only that, but like we've been in the van the whole time, so like walking and being next to the station.
ちょっと待って、大都会すぎて怖いわ。
おしゃれすぎ。
うわ、もうほぼニューヨークじゃん。
I know. Oh no, I wanted to show our Christmas jumpers.
You can. Hi.
Okay, it's cold. It's cold.
This was made by her, and of course,
For full effect. 3, 2, 1. Tis the reason for the season or something.
お、サンタクロースがいっぱいいるぞ。
Eh?
Right?
Like Santa run? Carol? What are you doing? 本物だ。
本物いないだろ。But they are like cleaning, right?
Oh, is that what
They
it
have
is?
like.
Oh, that's so nice. That's a very festive giving back sort of thing to do.
ありがとうサンタクロース。Oh, my brother. Must be soft here. 触らないでって。Even though it's my bro. See you again.
So, is this where the first exhibit is?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
so.
Oh, Fantastic Beasts, not Harry Potter. This
でもあ
one.
る、でもある、でもあるぞ。
This one's Fantastic Beasts.
ファンタスティックビーストがこれです。
It's less busy than I expected it to be.
Right?
Yeah.
But ファンタスティックビーストそんな知らないしな。
I'm more of a Harry Potter fan.
1回しか見たことない。ハリーポッターは10回ぐらい見てるけど。
Right.
ここにマップあるじゃん。
Ah.
Okay, so where are we?
So right now we are here.
Yeah.
This one is really, really close. I think we should go and check that out. And then I want to see this one
Yeah.
and this one.
ハリーポッター
So
ね。
we're back this way.
And then going to countryside.
Sounds like a plan. They have like merchandise here too.
Some shops.
Okay, that is great.
でもこれ USJ に売ってるよ、大阪行けば。
That's true.
シュンシュンシュシュンシュンシュンシュンシュンシュンシュンシュン。
So by the time we upload this, it will no longer be Christmas, but between all of us, we're actually going to be spending Christmas Day in Osaka, which is a bit strange because not only am I away from home, the UK, we're also kind of away from home in Tokyo too. So last glimpses of Christmas in Tokyo. More Santas.
It's getting dark.
Nice for the light up. Hey, that's way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. With Santas. That's pretty impressive. Huh? Akabeko. Is it okay to walk here?
I think. Right?
Oh, last year.
Yeah, last Vlogmas.
This time last year, Aizu. This time, Tokyo.
Most of them are not bad. Drinking butter beer here would be nice. Okay, it's getting dark. すごい。次行こう。
どんどん行こう。
どんどん行こう。
So I think most of these Harry Potter illuminations are up until the 25th, so literally until Christmas Day, and then suddenly everything's gonna change to all the New Year decorations around here, so having a short but sweet Christmas in Tokyo, right?
Yeah. クリスマス感ないけどな、あんまり。
Don't say that.
Compared to the UK, I mean.
Well, yeah. Although being around here does kind of feel like we're in London or something, right? Not really. Not
Much busier.
not illuminated enough.
Much busier in London.
That's true. Okay.
So we came back.
Yeah, to the other side of Oazo and Tokyo Station. It looks kind of pretty just like that, right? That already feels more Christmassy to me. And with the lights on the trees too.
Tokyo Station is here. Oazo is there.
And
And nothing is there.
whoa, so open.
Must be that.
Where the Santas were. Maybe the Santas were going on a Harry Potter trip. Everyone needs a bit of Harry Potter at Christmas time. It's a tradition, right? I have no idea when exactly we're going to be uploading this. It will be very un-Christmassy probably by that time, but have a belated Christmas from us.
いいわ。
Huh?
すごいいい。
I mean, like Mario or something. Must be down this road, right? Ooh, what's with all the seats? Well, whatever this is, it's pretty. Lots and lots of Santas this time.
More like UK.
Yeah.
ないぞ。
But they have big chests. It's a little bit like Harry Potter. Can you see?
I don't know how it works though.
Ah, there's a van that kind of puts our one to shame a bit. Christmas van. Pie. Pie.
いい匂い。食べて。
Right, they have mince pies too.
But our destination is here.
Okay, there's a crazy amount of people here. This is what I expected it to be like. Suddenly very, very busy compared to the last one.
Of course.
I guess Harry Potter definitely has more of a pull
The
than
main one.
Fantastic Beasts, yeah. But also, it is like finishing work time now. People are on holiday. It's a couple of days before Christmas for us. Of course, there's gonna be lots of people.
The last one is on the road.
Just down here somewhere?
I think so.
Yeah. This is more like it. This is more like Christmas. Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Yeah. あれ？違う？
I don't think that's it, but it's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Christmas doesn't feel right, does it? But Christmas in the van, first time, it'll be an experience. Oh, in here?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah, they have it on the door.
Must be easy. That's quiet. Apparently, it's outside.
Wow, it looks like it, so I guess that makes sense. Maybe around this corner?
何があるのかこのコーナーには。気になる。はい。
Cows. Oh, I see it.
Oh, I see. Wait.
It's quite. I mean, Edward looks strange, but
The letters are nice.
maybe better during the day. I am getting kind of Christmassy vibes just being in this area, to be honest. Maranoti is very London, don't you think?
Quite.
So a little bit of a home away from home with Harry Potter in Tokyo, but we got to get on to our next destination away from home. But we couldn't go for a drive without a little takeaway present to ourselves.
ありがとう。
I also hear that this curry pan that we bought is the best in Tokyo, so I guess we'll see on the road if that's true or not. Tokyo Drive 行きます
Why? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So dark. But Tokyo looks better at night anyhow.
はい、外出ますよ。行きます。
はーい。
始まりー。
They're not that busy, right?
No, like compared to Shinjuku or downtown in Tokyo.
Yeah, this is
This
more.
is more like business town.
Yeah. Hi. Tokyo Drive starting. Woo!